All right, guys, so today I want to do a quick review on my Veehoo orthopedic dog bed. The packaging that it comes in is really, really nice. Everything's nice and compact. The only thing is you'll have to just wait a little bit for the foam to expand. As you can see, the setup is very easy. Literally just unzip it, install it, and as you can see, at about 24 hours, it was literally good to go. It's very, very comfy. I'll show you the backside. Sometimes we'll even take this like on road trips. Just because my dog loves laying on it. And if you ever need to actually wash it, so you can see this part right here, you just take it out and throw the other part in the washer and then you're good to go. This padding on the side makes it really, really nice for the dog to either lay their head or just literally just stay comfortable inside. The material, like I said, top notch. Here's my actual dog on the bed. She absolutely loves it. She'll hang out on this bed for hours. Usually she'll hang up on the sofa, but now she's found her new bed. So if you're looking for an awesome dog bed, dog couch, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.